And Honda replaced the bar, which he didn't do. So that was something totally different from what he did.
Correct.
I don't know what else they had to do and what else they didn't have to do. Anyway, you don't have the case against the defendant.
In there, it says they replaced all the shocks.
Listen to me.
And I also have a piece here that shocks should last 40,000 miles.
Just listen to me.
And
I don't know if they replaced the shocks if they had to.
I have the broken shock right here.
Goodbye.
It's
You're not
broken.
paying attention. You drove the car for 3 months. If there was something wrong with the shock absorbers, you would have had that within a 3-month period.
They're supposed to last longer than 3 months.
We're done. Thank you.